This tapping piece is all arpeggios set up in groups of 6 notes to be played left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand. The concept is to play it rhythmically like a drum. Each arpeggio, the notes go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then when you get to notes 5 and 6, they will always be repeating notes 3 and 2 respectively. I also laid out the arpeggio so notes 3, 4, and 5 are always on the same string. This way you can tap between all 6 notes, or you can hammer pull between notes 3, 4, and 5 for a smoother, more legato feel. The first arpeggio is A minor. It starts with the left hand on the 6th string in the 5th fret. Then you're going to play the right hand, 4th string, 7th fret. So 6th string, 4th string. Then you're going to play left hand, 3rd string, 5th fret. So it'll go left, right, left. 6th string, 4th string, 3rd string. Then right hand, 3rd string, 9th fret. There's your first 4 notes. You can pull off between the 4th and 5th note, then tap the 6th note. That was right hand, 4th string, 7th fret. On the first 5 arpeggios, I did not hammer pull. That is, I tapped between notes 3, 4, and 5. For the bulk of the song, each arpeggio is played twice. For practice purposes, you'll probably want to repeat them more. The next arpeggio is E major. It starts on a B note with your left hand on the 6th string in the 7th fret. Then the right hand, 5th string, 11th fret. Then the left hand, 4th string, 9th fret. Then the right hand, 4th string, 14th fret. I use my 4th finger on this. Pull it back to 9, tap 11. Hammer pull 3, 4, and 5. Or tap. I like alternating between them. The next arpeggio is a 3rd inversion E7, so starting on a D note, left hand, 6th string, 10th fret. The only thing different from this arpeggio and the last one is the first note, therefore changing the shape of the left hand. Then the right hand, 5th string, 11th fret. Left hand, 4th string, 9th fret. 4th string, 14th fret. Right back down. The next arpeggio is a 1st inversion A minor, so starting on the C note, left hand, 6th string, 8th fret. Then the right hand, 5th string, 12th fret. Left hand, 4th string, 10th fret. Then the right hand, 4th string, 14th fret. There's your 4 notes. Notes 5 and 6. That is 10th fret of the 4th string, 12th fret of the 5th string. Arpeggio number 5, left hand, 6th string, 10th fret. 5th string, 12th fret. Left hand, 4th string, 12th fret, sharing the fret. Right hand, 4th string, 15th fret. There's your 4 notes. Back down to the 12th fret, 4th string, and the 12th fret, 5th string, and roll it. Then back to an A minor, 2nd inversion, left hand, 5th string, 7th fret. We're going to stay on the same string and go right hand, 5th string, 12th fret. Then the left hand, 4th string, 10th fret. Then right hand, 4th string, 14th fret. There's your 4 notes. Drop right back down. Now remember, your 2nd note and your 3rd note are your 6th and 5th notes respectively on all the arpeggios. Next up, E major, left hand, 5th string, 7th fret. To right hand, 5th string, 11th fret. 4th string, 9th fret. To right hand, 4th string, 14th fret. That's a fun little passage. Then it goes back to the first arpeggio, A minor, in the 5th fret. From A minor to G diminished, So that'll be the left hand, 4th string, 5th fret, to right hand, 4th string, 8th fret, left hand, 3rd string, 6th fret, right hand, 3rd string, 9th fret. There's your 4 notes. Back down. Next up, first inversion D minor, left hand, 5th string, 8th fret. Then right hand, 5th string, 12th fret, to left hand, 3rd string, 7th fret, right hand, 3rd string, 10th fret. There's your 4 notes. Right back down. Next up is a G7. It is a second inversion, so start on the D note. Left hand, 5th string, 5th fret. Right hand, 5th string, 10th fret. Left hand, 3rd string, 4th fret. To right hand, 3rd string, 10th fret. There's your 4 notes. The 12th arpeggio is a C major. Left hand, 6th string, 8th fret. Right hand, 5th string, 10th fret. Sharing the fret, left hand, 4th string, 10th fret. The 4th note is in the right hand, 4th string, 14th fret. The 13th arpeggio is a second inversion E7. Starting on the B note, left hand 6th string 7th fret, right hand 5th string 11th fret, left hand 3rd string 7th fret, right hand 3rd string 9th fret. There's your 4 notes. Back to arpeggio number 1, A minor. E diminishes next. So we'll start with the left hand on the 5th string in the 7th fret. Right hand 4th string 8th fret to the left hand 3rd string 6th fret. Right hand 3rd string 12th fret. There's your 4 notes. We're going to keep the left hand shape the same, move it up 1 fret, and repeat the 10th arpeggio, which was the first inversion D minor. That starts left hand 5th string 8th fret. 8, 12, 7, 10. Next up is E7, left hand 5th string 7th fret to right hand 4th string 9th fret, then 3rd string 7th fret to 3rd string 13th fret. There's your 4 notes. In the context of the song, all the arpeggios moving forward are to be played once, but repeat for practice if you like. Left hand 6th string 5th fret, right hand 4th string 10th fret, left hand 2nd string 5th fret. This is an A minor. 2nd string 10th fret. There's your 4 notes. And of course, roll back down as usual. You can pull it off to the 2nd string 5th fret and then tap 10. Then roll all 6 notes. We've done the next arpeggio, D minor, already, but this is in a different position. It'll be left hand 5th string 5th fret. The next note will be the right hand 4th string 7th fret. Left hand 3rd string 7th fret. Right hand 3rd string 10th fret. Here's your 4 notes. Then to A minor, left hand 5th string 7th fret. Sharing the fret, right hand 4th string 7th fret. Left hand 3rd string 5th fret to right hand 3rd string 9th fret. Your 4 notes. Next arpeggio, left hand 5th string 5th fret to right hand 4th string 6th fret. Then to your left hand 3rd string 4th fret. Then right hand 3rd string 9th fret. Here's your 4 notes. Then left hand 5th string 3rd fret to 4th string 7th fret, 3rd string 5th fret, right hand 3rd string 9th fret. Roll your notes. Back to D minor, 5th string 5th fret, 4th string 7th fret, sharing the fret 3rd string 7th fret, then right hand 3rd string 10th fret. Then of course back down to the 3rd string 7th fret, the 6th note right hand 4th string 7th fret. Repeating A minor from 4 arpeggios ago, 5th string 7th fret to 4th string 7th fret, 3rd string 5th fret, right hand 3rd string 9th fret. Roll it. E7, which we've played before, left hand 5th string 7th fret, right hand 4th string 9th fret, to left hand 3rd string 7th fret, to right hand 3rd string 13th fret. A minor that started the singles off, that was left hand 6th string 5th fret, to right hand 4th string 10th fret, to left hand 2nd string 5th fret, Right hand 2nd string 10th fret. To end, I go right back up the chord. Left hand 6th string 5th fret, let it ring. Right hand 4th string 10th fret, let it ring. Left hand 2nd string 5th fret. Right hand 2nd string 10th fret, let it ring. Finish up with the right hand 1st string 12th fret, let it ring. Typically what I do is I drag my hand around to clean up sound as I play. So what I do is I take my first finger and I lay it across the strings and mute the strings as I play. It is subtle, but watch my first finger, I lay it down as I play. So what I'm doing in this case is trying to clean the open string noise out. Though sometimes I do like the open string noise depending on what it is I'm playing. So I don't use dampeners because I like the sound of the open strings, and sometimes you get a cool harmonic thing happening without dampening the strings.